project, you will need 5 to 6 ounce leather, a scratch awl, ruler or pattern, a knife, mallet, optional end punch, optional edge beveler, hole punch, O-rings and Chicago screws, and a screwdriver. Start by cutting the leather into strips about 1 inch wide and 11 inches long. Optionally, you can use our free pattern to make this super easy. The next 2 steps are optional. Feel free to punch the end and edge bevel now. For the final step, feed the O-rings through one end of the strip. Fold one end around them and the other end down to meet them. Make sure the hole at the top is wide enough to fit whatever belt you'll be wearing. Then, punch a hole big enough for the screw through all 3 layers, and feed your Chicago screw through the hole using a screwdriver to tighten, and you're all done. To use the skirt hikes, collect the fabric and feed it through both loops, then split the rings and feed the tail through, tugging to tighten. Now you can protect your garb and stay cool and comfortable at this year's festival. Pair these with our other Ren Faire inspired patterns for an entire leather look. Make sure to subscribe for more inspiration, and as always, happy crafting!